Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am the Cap Guy and welcome to this automation beginner course using make.com. If you are a creator, freelancer, business owner, or someone who wants to save hours every week, this course is for you. Imagine automating half of your daily tasks without writing a single line of code. That is what automation platforms like make.com, N8N, Zapier gives you. So you'll be able to build automation system without writing a single line of code. And in this course, you are going to learn exactly how to do that. What are you going to learn from this course? By the end of this course, you will be able to build powerful automation systems. You will also learn how to connect apps like Google Sheet, Airtable, Gmail, Notion, and the likes to build a powerful automation system. And to make your automation system much more unique and powerful, you are going to learn how to integrate AI tools like OpenAI, Grok, Gemini, Cloud, and the likes. By the end of this course, you will learn how to create workflows that run 24/7. So this gives you opportunity to create automation system that can run 24 hours based on your specific demands. Also, you will learn how to build AI agents using make.com. And you will also learn how to automate tasks that you normally do manually. Now, what is make.com? Make.com is a visual automation platform designed to link apps into seamless workflows without the need for coding. It simplifies complex integration into intuitive, draggable modules. So Make.com gives you much more flexibility on how to build the automation system without having to deal with more complex situations. Make.com enables you to drag modules like Lego blocks onto the canvas, connect them to create workflows that execute flawlessly. Triggers, actions, routers, and schedules snap together, making automation accessible to everyone. With make.com, you're able to watch data flow in real time as you build. The visual interface allows you to see how information moves through your workflows, making it easy to troubleshoot and optimize. So this implies that while building your automation system, you can test run it and see how your workflow is being run. And that way you can understand where there is an issue or if everything is perfect as you expect. Make.com ensures that your workflows execute perfectly behind the scenes. With detailed execution history and logs, you can track every run and make adjustments as needed. So whilst running your automation system, you can track if there's any error, you make an adjustment until you get the perfect outcome. Why learn make.com now? Everyone wants things done faster. Businesses, creators, and freelancers depend on automation to stay productive. Now, make.com gives you this beginner-friendly experience. It is much more easier for you to blend in and understand how the platform works. Make.com gives you more flexibility than other automation platforms. Make.com gives you cheaper automation at scale. It gives you a powerful logic and routing system. It has a beautiful visual interface that makes it much more beginner friendly while working on the platform. With make.com, you have got the powerful tool you can use in creating automation system, not just for yourself, but for other clients. Now, who is this course for? If you're a student looking to get into AI automation, this course is for you. If you are a creator wanting to boost productivity, this course is specifically designed for you. If you're a business owner exploring automation, this course is for you. Or you're just someone who wants to explore a new tech skill, you are in the right space. This course is designed for you. Now, what are you going to learn in this course? Here is what we learn in this playlist: how to build your first automation, how to use triggers, action, filters, routers, and scheduling, how to work with data. You are going to also learn how to connect apps, You will learn how to fix errors when you encounter one while building your automation scenarios. You are going to learn how to build AI agents using make.com. And you will get full hands-on projects you can deploy immediately. By the end, you will not just understand automation, you will be able to build real systems that saves you hours daily. So guys, we have come to the end of the introductory video for this course. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so that you will be notified when we post the next video for this course. So guys, if you're ready to jump into make.com and explore the interface, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.